Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Thank you.
Good evening. It looks very nice here.
Thank you very much. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
It's under Leo.
Let me check. Yes, I see it. Your table is ready. Please follow me.
Sure, thank you.
Please watch your step.
Thank you for telling us.
Here is your table by the window.
Oh, this is a lovely view.
Yes, it's perfect.
I'm glad you like it. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Here are the menus.
Thanks a lot.
Can I get you something to drink first?
Just water for now, please.
Water is fine for me too.
Of course. I'll be right back.
The menu looks interesting.
Yes, there are many choices.
I'm not sure what to order yet.
Me neither. Everything sounds good.
What are you thinking of ordering?
Maybe pasta or steak.
The pasta section looks nice.
Yes, especially this one with mushrooms.
I'm thinking about the chicken.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Are you ready to order, or do you need more time?
We need a little more time, please.
No problem at all. Take your time.
The pasta sounds tempting.
Yes, but is it spicy?
I don't like very spicy food.
Me neither.
Let's ask the waiter.
Are you ready now?
Yes, we have a question first.
Of course, please ask.
Is this pasta spicy?
It's mildly spicy, but we can make it less spicy.
That's good to know.
Can it be not spicy at all?
Yes, absolutely.
Then I'll have the pasta, not spicy.
Very good choice.
I'll have the steak, medium well.
Would you like any side dishes?
Yes, some vegetables, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Great. I'll send your order to the kitchen.
Thank you.
I'm excited to try the food.
Me too. Everything smells great.
Yes, the smell makes me hungry.
I like the music here. It's very relaxing.
You're right. It's not too loud. The atmosphere here is really nice.
Yes, it feels cozy and warm.
I feel comfortable sitting here.
Me too. It feels like a good place to relax.
I'm glad we chose this place.
Same here. It was a great choice.
We should tell our friends about it.
I think they'll like it.
Excuse me. Your food will be ready in about 10 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you for telling us.
Here you are. Your pasta.
It smells amazing.
And your steak, sir.
Looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal.
Wow, this pasta is really good.
My steak is perfect.
I'm glad it's not spicy.
Yes, they did it just right.
We should come here again.
Definitely.
How is everything?
Everything is perfect, thank you.
Yes, the food is great.
I'm happy to hear that.
I'm full now.
Me too.
Would you like some dessert?
Thank you, but no.
No problem at all.
Can we have the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here is your check.
Thank you.
Where do we pay?
Please follow me to the counter.
Hello.
Hello. We'd like to pay.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
Please enter your PIN. Payment approved.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for the great service.
Everything was wonderful.
We hope to see you again.
Goodbye.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.